Do you hate spending big bucks at coffee shops? Say hello to the Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother. This little gadget makes creamy froth in seconds. Perfect for coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Skip the coffee shop trips and save money. It works on all types of milk, almond, soy, whole. Mixes protein powder drinks with zero hassle. Stainless steel construction guarantees durability. Cleaning is super easy, just rinse and run it. Trust me, you need this in your kitchen. Order now and start enjoying delicious drinks at home.